channel Inspired Birdie for another Plan With Me edition. So for this week I'm doing things a little bit differently. If you follow me, you know that I like to print off a lot of my own images off the internet. So for today I am doing an owl theme, and I'm going to be doing strictly stickers and washi this week. So no printouts from the internet. I absolutely love owls. So as you can see, I have a ton of owl stickers. So I'm going to take you through the stickers. I'm going to show you the washi that I'm working with. If you're new to my channel, this is for the Happy Planner, but you can do this for absolutely any planner that you use. So let's get started. All right, all of these stickers are from the Dollar Tree. So starting off with Forever in Time, look at how beautiful these are. These are the newest ones that I picked up recently. Super pretty. And these are also Forever in Time. These are pop-ups. And then these are just the same, but they're all different colors. And this is from Sticko. I think Sticko is actually from the dollar store. These ones I used recently in one of my layouts, so I don't have the cover, so I cannot remember who they're from. They're either Jot or Forever in Time. Same with this little guy here. And I have another Forever in Time. And here are the last ones. I love those little leaves. And these are Jot. All right, so that's my stickers, and here's the washi. I'm sticking with the spring theme. These are similar to the April month layout ones that I used, if you saw that spread. So these are super beautiful. They are all from AliExpress. Yeah, that's it, guys. So stickers and washi, no glue stick needed for this week's Plan With Me. All right, guys, let's get started.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time. take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight. And we'll
Alright guys, so here is my final end project with just washi and just stickers. I absolutely love how it turned out. I did primarily stick a lot with these stickers that you would have seen because they are flat, and a lot of my other stickers are pop-ups, which you want to be careful of in your planner because it can make your planner very, very thick. But I just love it. I love this vine or tree so much. I think that really made it pop, as well as these branches here. So that's this week's layout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll show you a quick glance, and thanks so much for watching. Love and peace to you all. Bye.
standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone.